Guys, I wanted to record an actual testimonial from a real client. I've worked with Blade and Funnel Hacker Labs. I've known him for about a little over 2 years now, and he's helped tremendously. Everything from lead generation to simplifying tactics to bring in referral clients from our current customer base, and those are some of the best clients. But any niche that you're in, it doesn't matter. If you're a business or you just want to get more eyes on your content and what you're doing or get more sales, he's helped tremendously with setting up media buying, lead generation, ads, top of funnel, retargeting. The stuff that he knows is in some of the bigger packages. So he's giving you that for a really, really good value. I think he's undervalued, really. I hope he doesn't increase the price by me saying this, but what he does is worth every penny. And if you're thinking about retaining him, definitely take the leap. He's been a tremendous help to my business. So I just wanted to give a real video from a real client. Follow his Facebook, get in the Facebook group. There's so many good gems in there, and his YouTube channel alone will keep you so busy. There's so many little gems and tactics that he's always dropping for free in there. Even if you don't, become a client and actually bring him on to help you. But either way, man, this is a real testimonial, real person. Blade, Funnel Hacker Labs, everything that he's done for me in the whole system, Project Alpha, everything that I see him drop is just valuable. There's been nothing that's been fluff. So thanks, man. And if anybody's thinking about moving forward, they can call me. I'm a real client, man. He's actually helped me out tremendous. So thank you so much. I look forward to our success in 2024 and see where we go. Later, guys.